After using almost 10 years, now it's time to change my washing machine. Within this 10-year of period, we changed its gasket and drum ones. It's my LG front load washing machine have done great job these many years in the way of less water consumption, less power and better washing. It's a 6 kg washing machine for 4 people, family of 4, but now we want to switch on bigger size as we wash our clothes frequently. In front load washing machines we get 70 to 80% drying of clothes because of its spinning and higher rpm capacity. So compared to top load, front load is best option, using less water and gives best drying. I'm using LG front load direct drive introduced by LG in India to minimize the noise of the machine and vibration. We have done some research on recent machines and plan to go for either Bosch washing machine or LG washing machine or stick to LG washing machines. Now all washing machines have 5-star energy efficiency. So we are here in Croma as it's close to us and giving more offer most of the time. While checking with LG and Bosch washing machines, we came to know about Haier also having direct drive motion motor with 16 wash programs and some having 12 washing programs. It has steam option for all programs which LG and Bosch not offering for all the programs. Plus 5-year warranty and 20-year warranty on motor makes big difference. Plus it having super drum 525 mm means bigger drum capacity, AI based system, and antibacterial treatment program which offers gasket and detergent dryer cleaning which many washing machines not does not offer in auto clean option. Spin speed is 1400 rpm means drying more. It offers Wi-Fi connectivity. We purchased LG washing machine because of its direct drive motor plus it having quick wash which is 30-minute program. Now here offering 15 minutes wash program with direct drive motor. So we changed our mind and planned for 8 kg higher fully automatic washing machine and we are happy with our decision. Suddenly we have seen this hair wash and dryer combo in which both washing and drying together. As we have seen Bangalore weather, clothes take a lot of time to drying as prices are higher side for dryer and washer combo, but higher offers having some offer in Croma, so we are rethinking about it. Finally we decided to go for hair fully automatic front load washer and dryer combo, and here it is, it's at my home. Within one day we got delivery of this washing machine having 10.5 capacity and 8 kg drying capacity. Next video will discuss about its pros and cons, how it's working, how electricity consumption after use. I will make this video, so stay tuned. मिलते हैं next video में. Till then, bye bye, take care.